Hey you guys, it's Star. Happy Saturday and thank you so much for tuning into the video. So I'm at Dollar General and I'm actually about to do my 5 off of 25 shopping. I think I'm going to do 2 stores today because it's hard at Dollar General on a Saturday to find one store with everything that you need. But I came to this store first because I knew that they had these babies right here, and these are the Dawn Power Wash. So I definitely want to take advantage of getting some of these. So these are $4.95. We have a $2.50 off paper coupon in the March P&G, and we have a $2.50 off of 1 digital coupon. So I'm going to buy 3 today. I'm going to use 2 of the paper coupons and the 1 digital coupon. And then I picked up one of these crests because they are free. They are $2. I'm going to use the $2 off digital coupon. And then I have one of the Airwick air fresheners that is $1. I'm going to use the $1.25 off 1 digital coupon, making that free plus some overage. So I think I'm at $17.85. Let me grab a couple more items to get myself up to $25. Okay, so this is everything that I am grabbing in my first transaction today. Pretty quick and easy. So I have 3 of the Dawn Power Wash. I'm going to use 1 digital coupon for $2.50 off, and then 2 of these paper coupons from the March P&G. I have 1 of the Airwick air fresheners at $1. I am going to use the $1.25 off 1 digital coupon. I have 1 of the Tide liquid laundry detergents, $4.95 this week. I'm going to use the $2 off digital coupon. I have 1 of the Clorox cleanups. These are on sale for $2.75. I am going to use the 50-cent off digital coupon. And then I have 1 of the Crest at $2. I'm going to use the $2 off digital, making that absolutely free. My total before digital coupons are applied should be $25.55. I had to think about that. So I'm going to download my 5 off of 25 coupon plus all of those other coupons. Let's see what my total is at the register. All right, you guys, so that transaction worked out pretty well. So there's all of our items. There's our Dawn Power Wash, $2.50 off paper coupon, our Clorox cleanup, 50-cent off paper coupon, our Dawn Power Wash, $2.50 off paper coupon, then the Dawn Power Wash that we use the digital coupon for. There is the Tide liquid laundry detergent, $2 digital, the Crest, $2 digital, and then the Airwick with our $1.25 off digital. Our subtotal came up to $7.30, and we had a total savings of $18.25 in that transaction. So I think that's pretty good considering that we paid $7, but we got 3 of the Dawn, some Tide, and some Clorox cleanup. So let's go on to store number 2. Okay, so now we're at store number 2. The first things I'm going to grab, I'm going to get 1 of our free Crest toothpaste, and then I'm also going to come up here and get 1 of these Crest charcoal that are $4. We're going to use our $3 off digital coupon. Now we're going to grab some deodorant. We're going to get 2 of the Dove Women's at $2.25 each. And then we're going to get some of the Degree Spray deodorants. These are $5 each. Okay, so this is everything that I'm grabbing in my first deal. I have my 2 Crest toothpaste, which are essentially just filler items. I have the freebie that's $2 with the $2 digital, and then the charcoal, which is $4 with the $3 digital. I have my soft soap deal. I gave you guys the breakdown for this deal yesterday, but it is $10 worth of soft soap and palm olive, and the only paper coupons that I'm going to use are these 50-cent off on the 2 palm olive in the back, and then we have the instant savings where you will save $3 for spending $10. So we're going to grab those. That's $10 worth. It should be automatically reduced to $7, and then we're going to pay $6 after the 50-cent off coupons. And then I have my beauty bag deal. So this is just a little spin on the deal with the Vaseline and the Tresemme. today. I'm out of Vaseline coupons, so I'm doing this deal a little bit different. I'm going to grab 2 of the Degree deodorants. These are $5 each. I'm going to use my $2 off paper coupons from last Sunday's Retail Me Not, and then 2 of the Dove deodorants at $2.25 each, and I am going to use the $2 off 2 digital coupon. So our total for all of these items should be $30.50. We want our total to be over $30 because we're going to have $3 in instant savings for this deal, and then another $2 in instant savings for the Degree, which is going to bring our total down to $25. So we're going to use our 5 off of 25, our 3 off of 12 beauty bag coupon, plus all of the coupons on these items. Let's go see how this works out. All right, y'all, so that worked out really well. We got so many items for the low. There's our 2 Degree deodorants, the double store discounts, our beauty bag coupon, and the 5 off of 25, and our instant savings. So it's really triple store discounts. That's why it's there 3 times. We use the $2 off paper coupons, the Palm Olive. We have double store discounts there, the 5 off of 25, and then the instant savings, plus our 50-cent off paper coupons. There's the Dove with our discounts as well, and the $2 off 2 digital. There's the Crest, which was free after the $2 off digital. There's our other Crest, which was $4 with the $3 digital. There's all of our soft soap that we did not use a coupon on, and then our subtotal came out to $5.50 for these 13 items. $5.50, y'all. We had 13 items for $5 with a total savings of $25. That was a beautiful transaction. So I'm going to play around a little bit, and I'm going to see if I want to grab anything else. Okay, so I decided that I did want to do one more transaction. This one is actually going to be an all digital deal. So for my all digital people, I think this will turn out really, really good if it does work out. So this is exactly $25 on the dot worth of stuff. We have one of the charcoal toothpaste again, $4, $3 digital, Crest, $2 digital. The Angel Soft is $5. We have a $1 digital. The Bic Simply Soul razors are $3.30. I'm going to use our $3 digital. The Tide is $4.95. We're going to use our $2 digital. The Clorox Cleanup is $2.75. We're going to use our 50-cent off digital. The Pine Sol is $3. We're going to use our 50-cent off digital. So after all of those digital coupons are applied, it should bring our total down to $8. Mine may actually come out to $8.50 because I have 2 Angel Soft coupons clipped on my account. One is 50 cents, the other one is $1. Because I clipped that 50-cent off first, it's probably going to come off instead of the $1, making mine just 50 cents higher. But we also have the promotion going on the Clorox Angel Soft and Pine Sol, where you will save $3 on your next purchase if you spend $10 worth. So this is actually $10.75 in participating products. So I'm hoping that we will also get that $3 coupon to print that we can use on another purchase. Fingers crossed. So if that works out how I'm planning it to, we're going to pay $8, but we're going to get $3 back that we can use on our next purchase, making all of these items just $5. And then I will take that $3 coupon and I will roll it on to one more transaction. So let's see how this works out.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth.
Okay, you guys, so let's take a look at my transaction. So there's the Crest $2 digital, the charcoal $3 digital, the Pine Sol 50-cent digital, the Clorox 50-cent digital, the Tide $2 digital, the Bic $3 digital, and the Angel Soft with the 50-cent digital. So yeah, my dollar off didn't come off, so it was $8.50 plus tax on that transaction. We had a total savings of $16.50 on those 7 items. Now, I did not get any $3 coupon back for another deal, and I'm assuming that's because we only paid $8.50 in this transaction. So I'm just going to charge that one to the game, and I'm going to take that as my cue that I am done shopping today, because $8.50 is not bad at all. So I'm not going to return it or anything, because we did get some tissue paper and some Tide, so I can live with that for those 7 items. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if this video was helpful for you guys. I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.